What if I told you, you can get real audiophile sound without spending $1,000 plus on a turntable? Exploding head in 2025, these 5 budget turntables deliver warm, rich vinyl sound *** that competes with models 3x their price. Stick around, because number 3 has a secret feature that even high-end brands don't offer. All purchase links? Check the description. Let's spin it up. Number 1. Denon DP-29F. The Denon DP-29F is a fully automatic belt drive turntable designed for straightforward, effortless vinyl playback. With its compact design, it's suitable for small spaces. The built-in phono preamp allows direct connection to amplifiers or powered speakers. The turntable comes with a pre-installed cartridge, ensuring decent sound quality. However, its lightweight construction may lead to some susceptibility to vibrations. While the automatic operation is convenient, audiophiles seeking a more hands-on approach may find it limiting. The Denon DP-29F is a user-friendly option for beginners and casual vinyl enthusiasts. Number 2. One Turntable. My jaw hit the floor when I unboxed the beautiful One Bluetooth turntable, which immediately made me go check the receipt to see I hadn't made a mistake. How can something so good-looking, well-made, and feature-rich be so cheap? The answer after testing is that I don't know, because they haven't been cheaper out in performance either. A beautiful counterweight tone arm was a joy to use, as was the magnetic cartridge system. Okay, so it's not real wood, but rather MDF with an applied lacquer, but it's so good it's very hard to tell on initial inspection. It has Bluetooth connectivity, so I can attach it to my high-res wireless speakers, and a high-quality belt drive system with a balanced aluminum platter ensured smooth and even playback. This is one I recommend taking the plastic top off when in use and letting people see just how pretty it is. Number 3. Audio-Technica AT-LP60X. The Audio-Technica AT-LP60X is a high-quality, fully automatic belt drive turntable suitable for beginners and casual listeners. It features an upgraded design for improved audio clarity and a redesigned tone arm base and head shell for better tracking and reduced resonance. With 2 speeds, 33 1/3 and 45 RPM, a built-in phono preamp, and an easily replaceable stylus, it offers a solid, convenient, and cost-effective entry into vinyl playback. Its sleek and compact design fits into various decor styles, and its easy setup ensures a smooth user experience. Number 4. Crosley C6. The Crosley C6 is a 2-speed, 33 1/3 and 45 RPM, manual belt drive turntable, marrying vintage charm with modern sound quality. Its design features a built-in preamp, an adjustable tone arm counterweight for precise tracking, and an Audio-Technica moving magnet cartridge for superior audio fidelity. The turntable has a stylish wooden base in different finishes, giving it a vintage aesthetic. The C6 high-quality components, attention to detail, and the ability to switch the built-in preamp on/off for more flexibility make it a solid choice for those wanting to explore the vinyl hobby with a well-made, stylish piece of equipment. Number 5. Sony PS-LX310BT. The Sony PS-LX310BT is a fully automatic Bluetooth turntable for modern music enthusiasts. Its sleek and user-friendly design lets users connect to speakers or headphones wirelessly. Its built-in Bluetooth technology enables easy pairing with compatible devices, eliminating the need for messy cables. The turntable features a high-quality aluminum tone arm and a stable belt drive system for precise playback. Users can choose between 33 1/3 RPM and 45 RPM speeds to enjoy their vinyl records. The Sony PS-LX310BT offers a convenient and enjoyable way to experience the warm sound of vinyl with contemporary convenience. So, which of these turntables are you adding to your setup? Drop your pick in the comments. Headphone. If this video helped you save money without sacrificing sound, smash that like button, share it with a fellow vinyl lover, and subscribe for more budget audiophile gems. Rock it until next time, spin those records.